Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can schedule and import to Shopify from Dropbox using the Matrixify app. Here I am in my Dropbox, and here you can see the file that I would like to import into Shopify using Matrixify. So that file would be products import. To import into Matrixify, we first need to make sure that this file is publicly accessible so that Matrixify is able to get to it. To do so, I'm going to click on this chain here, which will copy the link to the file. And once you've got the link, you'll be able to see it appeared here and with a notification saying that the link has been copied. I'm then going to press Manage. And here we need to make sure that anyone with the link can access this file. This is very, very important so that Matrixify also has access to this file. Do not worry though, this doesn't mean that everyone in the world has access to your file. What it means is that anyone with the exact precise link that will now be copied will have access to the file. But it doesn't mean that everyone in the world has access. Only the people with the exact precise link will have access. And that in this case would also now include Matrixify. So if you've made sure that everyone has access, we can go ahead and copy the link. And as you can see, link has been copied. And then we can head to the Matrixify app as I have done here. And we can paste the URL from our Dropbox to then upload from the URL. And here you'll be able to see the file uploading from the URL. And as you can see, the app has correctly identified that I'm importing products. And my product file is a very simple file. It only contains title and variant price for products. And as long as your import file is in the Matrixify apps template with columns that Matrixify is able to understand, you will be able to import your file from Dropbox with the Matrixify app. You can then also schedule this import, and to do so, click on the Options drop-down. And here you'll be able to see that the file will be taken from the URL. So that's very correct. It's been taken from the Dropbox URL that we've just added. You can then click to schedule this import. So you can schedule it to start at a later date, for example, on the 7th of November, which in my case is 2 days from now. You can also set to repeat the job. So you can repeat it every day until cancelled from the 7th of November. You can set it to repeat every minute, hour, day, week, month, or year, and then you can set it to repeat only a certain amount of times if you would like. It's completely up to you how you schedule, how you repeat the job. You can also choose not to schedule it or repeat it at all. You can just go ahead and import directly. In my case, though, I will schedule it to import in 2 days, which would be on the 7th of November. And I also would like my import to repeat. And when it repeats, it will take the file from the URL that we've used. So the app will always take this file to import. So you can make any modifications you would like to the file as long as it's the same file that you originally created the URL from. And if all is set up as you would like it to be, you can go ahead and press import or schedule, whatever your case may be. In my case, the button would be schedule as I am scheduling the import. So I'm going to go ahead and press schedule. And now you'll be able to see my import job has been scheduled, and a way to see that in the app as well, you'll see that I have 2 scheduled jobs, and if I click, I'll be able to see that my products import job that I just created with the file name product import is here, and it will run on the 7th of November as I have set it up to do. And that is how you can schedule an import from Shopify to Dropbox using the Matrixify app. Now, we also offer a written tutorial on this topic as well, and I will leave a link in the description of this video to this tutorial so you can easily get to it if you prefer following a written tutorial rather than a video tutorial. This basically goes over all the steps that I've just gone through, but in written format. And if you have any questions, queries, or concerns, please let us know. We will be more than happy to help. You can reach out to us either via Slack, where we have Mybo, our AI assistant, and they will reply to you instantly. And if need be, then our support team will also jump in to help. You can also reach out to us via email at support@matrixify.app. And we also offer an in-app chat with MyBot, which can be found either in the Matrixify app itself or here on our website. And to get to MyBot, just click on the speech bubble at the bottom of the page, and you'll be able to see that MyBot is already asking how they can help with any issues, questions, or queries or concerns that you may have. And that really would be it from me today. That is how you can schedule an import to Shopify from Dropbox using the Matrixify app.